Hello, this is Techie Doodledoo, and today we are outside and we're going to show you how to fix a big leak in your AVA pressure washer. So first I am going to demonstrate how much our pressure washer leaks at the moment. So there is a reason why I'm holding the hose here. Let me just show you. So I'm not pressing any buttons at the moment and I'm just letting go of the pressure on the hose. As you can see, it is pretty leaky. So let me just cut the water, or at least try to. There we go. A leak of this size is probably because the pipe inside of the wand is broken, which can happen if there are cold temperatures. So we had this stored in our garage and it was pretty cold at night. So it's probably the pipe that has been broken. So to fix this, you are going to need a Phillips screwdriver and, let me just find it in my pocket, a new pipe. It looks like this. You can order it from probably AVA and also your local supplier, I guess. I recommend, because this is in plastic, I'm not sure if you're able to see it, but this is in plastic, and I recommend purchasing a version of this which is made from aluminum instead of plastic, because that will probably withstand a bit more temperature variations. So let's dive into it. Okay, so here we have our parts. Just make sure that you have an O-ring on your new pipe, else I suggest you buy the O-ring. I think they have a repair set which contains different O-rings, and I believe this one is included in that set. So if you have your pipe without the O-ring, go ahead and purchase one. So first we're just going to press this button to remove the hose, so just like that. And here you see that you have your screws that you have to loosen. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have now removed 8 screws. As you can see in this holes, these are just some Phillips screws. So let's open it. It's just there we go. And here we have the reason for the leakage. As you can see, the pipe here is quite broken. So let's just take it out. So we'll just pull it up here and wiggle it off. There we go. So as you can see, yeah, it is broken on both sides here. And it seems like it is starting to break here as well. So it is good to replace. So we're going to take off this metal pin because we're going to use it on our new pipe. There we go. And we'll just put the old pipe away, find our new pipe, and put it right into the same spot, like this, as you can see. And then we will wiggle this new pipe on. There we go. Like that. So now that we have our new pipe installed, we will take the button from this side and install it on this side, and making sure that the metal clip right here goes on both sides, right in the groove here and in the groove there. So we'll just lift this up a tiny bit making sure that it goes into the grooves. Like that. And push it right in. There we go. So now we will just be mounting this back on and testing it out. There we go, and we want to put the screws back on, and make sure you don't tighten the screws too hard because you don't want to destroy the inside threads because they are made of plastic. So now we have changed the pipe in our wand, so let's test it out. There we go, and if the cameraman releases the pressure on the hose, there we go, and it doesn't leak. So that's a nice sign. Then let's press the button. It works. Awesome. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hoped it helped you. Hoped you were able to change your pipe. Hit the like button if you like the video, and we have a goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers during this year, and we would appreciate it a lot if you click that subscribe button to help us out. Have a good one!